Hi guys, so welcome to another beauty drop. So the mask I'm using today is this one, which is the milk skin. You know when you boil the milk, that skin which is on the top of the milk, so that one I just mixed that to a little bit of besan. Besan, for those who don't know, is chana dal flour, which you can find in India. So just mixed the malai, that skin from the milk on top, took that and mixed with besan, and here we go. Almost done. Go on the corners, go especially under the eye, and now we just wait to dry. So you have to make sure you apply a proper layer around. In case you don't have a brush, can be any brush, even canvas brush, make sure it's clean, or your hand, for God's sake. Let's make simple. Just use your hand. I'm just using this to look fancy for you guys. That's all. And usually people don't apply on the eyes because you have to be extremely careful. But the top of my eye, well, my eyelids, they are slightly, you see I have a natural shade, eyebrow shade. So I also apply to kind of take care of this area as well. Because usually you don't, right? Okay, now I'm gonna let it dry. So now it's drying up. Few spots, others are still wet because I applied too much, especially under my under eyes. So yeah, let's wait to see the result. Hi guys, so after 30 minutes this is dry already, so I'm going to wash and let you know how the skin come out. So it gets dry, so don't freak out, okay? You're not able to move your face so much, so that's fine. So no filter, anything. So this is the result. I just washed my face. How nice. It feels soft. It feels so soft, really. I'm really approved. You guys should try this mask at home. It's pretty amazing. Yay.